see the pioneer?
Okay.
Make it rotate it to the pioneer without copy. Okay.
Okay.
Now it's touching. Can we try?
Now it's 0.
Yeah, it's tighting. Now rotate it small one half like this, and rotate this one into 0.
It's very tired, right?
It's natural. Now it's come to 0. Okay.
Now completely 0.
Yeah.
What you did? What you did here? Because I will show this video for my friend. He has like this grinder.
This one, make it this one finer, and the grinder rotating, touching together.
Touching together.
When touching together, make it coarse, one gap like this, 1 to 2, make it 2. Then rotate this one,
Okay.
make it to 0 like this. Now it's come to 0 because hold this one, rotate this one, you can rotate this one. Okay.
You can show me now.
Yeah. Hold,
Okay.
rotate. Okay.
Hold. Then why you remove this hover?
For you can see and look when it is touching together now. And now rotate it course one gap. Then this one will not touching together. It's 0 0. It's now 0 0. You can calibrate now.
Now I can calibrate the
Yeah.
the pins, right?
Yeah.
Once close.